Hi everyone, and welcome to the DPP Minute. This week, maintenance, repair, and the moment that your DPP really starts talking to your customer.
Indeed. When the JRC talks about the maintenance part in their report, they simply refer to the Textile Labelling Revision that's ongoing. And this is really good news. It means everything concerning fiber content and care icons, we can refer to the TLR once it's being published. The repair piece in this report is very small. They basically recommend to remove this as a regulatory requirement and leaves this as a commercial decision for the brand.
Right, yeah, and that's really liberating for brands, right? There's no regulatory pressure on that now. It's just brand strategy. And I was just like, lean in, it's free.
Well, and that's the DPP Minute.
See you next time.